What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, the Eclipse is on jack stands again. This can mean only one thing, that today I'm going to replace my fuel lines. So let me show you what I bought. I bought a Russell ProFlex series hose. It's a braided stainless steel. Russell is a reputable brand, so I shouldn't have any problems with it. And I think I found one of the reasons why my old hose fail. This is the brand which I used. It's a Vibrant Performance. And as you can see, those two boxes are just boxes, but there is one major difference in them, which is hidden in the labels. So let me show you. Right over here in this label, it says Made in China. And when you go on Russell, it says Made in USA. So I hope that this will make the difference, but only time will tell. The only thing which I don't like about Russell ProFlex series hose is the stainless steel braid. It's a little bit too dark compared to the one in Vibrant. This one it's a lot shinier, and I like that, but this one probably won't leak, so the trade-off is pretty good if you think about it. Anyway, so I also bought a new vise, Wilton, pretty cool vise, some new AN jaws, AN wrench, which are made of aluminum. This way you won't scratch your AN fittings. I have some AN caps to cap off the fuel lines because I really don't like the smell of fuel. And over here I already took off the catch can, the battery which was located down there, and now the only thing which I gotta do is disconnect the line from the fuel pressure regulator, and let's get to work. First I'm going to disconnect the line from the back, and then I'm going to cap her off. Luckily there is no fuel leaking. I'm just going to put this cap on, and have to put a cap on the other end. There we go. Now I'm going to disconnect the line up here. All right. But first, let me pull some slack. There is no fuel at all. I mean, that's kind of normal. I already measured the new line, so now I just have to cut her. Cut was disaster, and that's because this grinder is a little bit too small. I gotta go get my bigger grinder, and good thing I left the line longer because I knew there was going to be something unpredicted. That's much better. And you just have to clean the liner real quick and start the fitting. And now The line is flush. Last cleaning. Finally the last line. God damn it. Let me see if I can fit her. It's normal to see some bubbles at the beginning. You just have to tap on the fitting and hopefully they will disappear. Now I gotta wait 5-10 minutes and we'll see. So it's been about 10 minutes and I don't see any leaks, which means now I just have to put the last line and put everything back together, and that's it. And this right here is going straight to the trash can. Now it's time to check for fuel leaks. Let's see. I don't see any fuel leaks. That's mean I'm done. All right, that's good. This is the first startup after a few months actually. Well guys, I drove the car and she runs a lot better, but I forgot my camera and I don't have any footage, which kinda sucks. I went for a state inspection and I passed the inspection, but when I came back, I was checking for leaks and I found a lot of leaks, but this time not fuel leaks, oil leaks. Oil leak from right over here, this connection from the valve cover gasket. I knew for the valve cover gasket, but now it's even worse than before. And I also found a coolant leak down there somewhere. I have to find out from where exactly it's coming. And as you know, my downpipe is busted, and I'll have to replace this downpipe ASAP, because right now it does sound uh, pretty horrible. Like, I mean, it's unbearable when you're in the car, and I just have to replace the downpipe ASAP. And I also found a lot of oil leaks down here. My oil pan is leaking from somewhere, and maybe the oil filter housing somewhere around there, but I need to find out from where exactly the leaks are coming from. And my transfer case is leaking, so this is just a great start of the new year. Anyway, on the positive side, I bought a carbon fiber fuse box cover, and the fitment is pretty good. And now the engine bay, it looks a lot better, because this is just a cover, and when I pop it out, you can see this is the OEM cover, and mine is busted. I think I have a spare one, but I just have to find where it is. But now when I put the carbon fiber one, at least it looked nice. Well, I found one more thing messed up with my car. It's the power steering belt. As you can see, some of the rubber pieces are missing, and I was thinking that the noise was coming from my downpipe, but apparently was coming from the belt, which sucks even more. I have so many problems to fix now that I don't know if this car is gonna make it outside of this garage. Damn it, that sucks. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great new year.